Hey everyone, thanks for being here. This is Goose Auto Works, and this is the newest member of the channel. So, I know that this just looks like an old beat up truck, and that's because it is, but it's also more than that. This was my very first vehicle ever. I had this when I was 15 years old. I've had it for 13 years, so let's save you the math, I'm 28, and it's been a really good truck. It is a good truck, mechanically at least, and there's a lot of cosmetic issues. A lot of those were there whenever I got it, and I'll kind of get into that later. But I want to seem like I actually give a crap about the things I drive. I want it to look nice, especially because I still plan on having this for a few years to come, and I just want to put some time and some money into it just to, you know, repay it for all the years that it's given me and give it a little bit something in return. So I want to do a Lightning conversion to this truck, at least appearance-wise. If I can get my hands on an engine or like a totaled truck for cheap or something, cool, great. But at least appearance-wise, that's what I want to do. And no, before you get ahead of yourself, I won't badge it as a Lightning. I won't try to pretend that it is. It's just, to me, for this year model trucks, those appearance pieces just look the best. Everything just cohesively works together, and so that's what I like, and that's what I'm going to do. And so you can stick around for that if that's something that you're going to be interested in. So in quick succession to this, I'll have some videos coming out. I'm going to do a carbon fiber skin on the roof. I'm going to repaint the whole thing eventually, but for the time being, until I can get a bumper in, until I can get some other little bodywork things done, I'm just going to plasti-dip this. So I'm going to show you how to plasti-dip at home and have it turn out the way that you expect it to. So subscribe if any of that's something that you're going to be interested in, whether you have one of these trucks or not. You can carry that forward. So hopefully it'll be a good ride. I'll see you in the next one.